I'm excited to tell you about our course for January 2023. It's Hooking in Neutrals, the Zen and the Art of Rug Hooking. I live with a lot of neutrals in my home and in my life, and I love them. I love browns and grays and tans and rich colors. I wear them and I live with them and I love them. So I want to share the meditative art of rug hooking with you. And in this course, we're going to talk about how rug hooking is a very meditative craft and how it's peaceful and comforting. I'm not one to just sit and meditate, but I sure can get into a meditative state when I'm hooking rugs. So with this course, you get 4 free downloadable patterns, and they're full size, like you can tile them. So this one is called What I Found on the Beach. Then we have 3 more. This one is the beautiful, I always want to say irises, but it's orchids. It's the orchids in neutral. I'll put that back up there. And this is the neutral landscape. And we also have a very simple pattern that you can take and expand. You could make a floor mat with this if you wanted to, or a larger piece. You could do one very large piece or just a small sweet piece like I did, or you could repeat the circles. And in this course, I'm going to tell you a lot about how to make the most of neutrals, how to use them to bring a rug together beautifully. And I think a lot of us love neutrals in our home, and that this is a great opportunity for you to learn about hooking with neutral yarns and cloths and about the whole idea of neutrals. You're going to learn a lot. So join me. It's instant access, so you'll get it right away and you'll get the patterns right away. However, this week only, it is $49.95, and after that the course will be $69.95. So it's on sale right now for 7 days for $49.95, and that includes 4 downloadable patterns. So join me for Hooking in Neutrals, the Zen and the Art of Rug Hooking. HookingRugs.com. See ya.